Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and thank you all so much that come and watch my videos regularly and comment. It means so much to me. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I have for you all my Ipsy Plus. If y'all don't know about Ipsy Plus, it is $25 a month, and I think it was last month they started doing they pick 2 items and they give you a choice to pick the other 3, and they give you like 4 or 5 choices for each category, and you can pick 1 item from the category. I wasn't real crazy about it this month. It seemed like all 3 of my choices were things that I had already gotten, for the most part, things that I would have chose or things I didn't like, one or the other. So I wasn't real crazy about it, but I mean, it's still, the value is still there. But this month they sent this really cute bag. They started these new bags, drawstring bags, last month too, for just the Plus. So aren't those cute? I know Levi will probably be wanting this bag because he loves these kind of bags to put his little toys in and tie them around his belt loops, and he loves doing that. He's silly, but he likes doing that, so he will probably end up with this bag. I've got so many of the other bags, I don't really need it, but I do like this bag. Oh yeah, that was my add-on my point thing. So there's the bag. I've got it empty. Oops. And y'all probably know, several months ago they stopped putting the cards in it that tell us what we got, so we have to look on the app on their website, and it tells us exactly what each thing was and its price. And so this is, I like Pure Heels, I guess that's how you pronounce it. This is an eye cream, so I'm not upset about this. This retails for $29. I've tried I think 2 Pure Heels products, and I liked them, so I love eye creams, and you see that is a really nice size. And it says it's an all-natural plant-based eye cream. The cream is made without harmful chemicals or animal materials. It's 30 milliliters. And then the other item they chose for me is this Gold Faden MD. I think this is a serum. I think this was a serum, isn't it? Yeah, this is a serum. I was going to say, I got this brand before from them in a eye cream. So this is a serum. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely a serum there. I apologize if my hands, I just did videos and I did swatches, and I was trying to get these done so quickly, and I forgot to wash the swatches off my hands. That retails for $80. Wow, I didn't see that coming. So it says this is full size, retails for $80. Wow. It says, not only is this formula cruelty-free, vegan, and all-natural, it's dermatologist tested for efficiency too. It has vitamin B3 and B5, give skin instant nourishment while protecting it from environmental damage like UV, pollution, and blue light. Okay, it says a lot of other things, but you probably don't want me to waste your time with that, but that is very interesting. I did not think that that would be an $80 thing, and this was one of my choices, was the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime Set and Refresh. This is 4 ounces, and this retails, ooh, I didn't see that coming either. $32 for that little bottle. Wow. It says, like an energy drink for your face, this hydrating mist is exactly what your skin needs to reset and recharge on a hot summer day. Okay, $32 for 4 ounces. Which, I mean, the spray, those sprays last a long time, but still, I didn't think that would be the case. Now, this one, no matter what I chose, it was going to be an item that I either didn't want or I already had, so I tried to pick something that I knew you all might like, so this will be going in a future giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch this. I will show it to you. It has the lipstick, the lip gloss, and a lip liner. It's a very cool set, but like I said, this will go in a future giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it. And this retails for $16, and it is from ColourPop. I'll get that closed in a minute. And then I got, this was another choice. I had already had this too, I think. Yeah, but this is one of my favorite brands, and I think we can never have too much skincare, so I'm not upset about this. It's the Murad SPF 30, and this retails for $65. It says vitamin C brightens up skin and helps fade the look of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Ginkgo biloba leaf extract shields skin from environmental aggressors like pollution. So, $65. So this is, I mean, overall the value of this box is really good. I haven't added it up, but $65 for that and $80 for that. I mean, that's already way, way over the price of the box. And then I got this with my points. It is the space case, and I just was not too pleased with this. I've used space case highlighters, I think it was, and they were really good, but this is just, let me see if I can, I've still got stains on my fingers from another palette I did, but I mean, look, it's really no real color to it. It looks more like it got color to it than what there really is. Let me see if I can, I mean, there's just that one. It looks like it has color. I've got swatches still on me, but I mean, it really doesn't. Now the darker one, see, it has a nice color. And that one's okay, but I could not get this other one. It just feels really dry or something, like just nothing. The last, these last two here, right here, they feel really dry. I will do a, maybe try to scrape the top of it off or something and see if maybe it just needs something else, because that just, it does not seem like, I mean, look, on my fingers it looks good, but in person it just really doesn't look like it has much color to it. I mean, that one does, but I'll do another review on that where when I can focus just on that and see if I can make that work better. It just, maybe it looks like it got more color this time, so maybe it is that I've just got to keep scratching the surface of it off till the color comes through, because it definitely had more color payoff this time than it did the other day when I first got it and I was trying to look at it. So again, I got this was for my points. So I got the serum, the SPF, the per heels, I'm not sure how you say all that. It's an eye cream. Then I got the Color Pop set of 3, the Laura Geller Spackle Mist, and that is it for, well, besides the cute little bag, that is it for my Ipsy Plus. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. I love you guys. Bye-bye.